Okay, so for the gypsy song, I'm going to start with the left hand. So the notes aren't too hard. You're just starting down here with these little bouncy notes. Bum, 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 bum. And then on measure 7, you jump down to a D and an A. So I would just practice. That jump a couple times to help your muscles remember what that is, okay? And then starting here at the repeat, we really want to make sure that we follow this fingering, okay? So we've got 1 and 3. Ba, ba, da, da. Reach your second finger over for that E flat. Ba, ba. And then you kind of jump down to 2 and 3. Bum, 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 bum. 1 and 5 on A and D. And then your thumb reaches for that C right there. So really just observe that fingering, okay? And then it's the same as the beginning. When something you can think about is this is a D and that's a D, so it's an octave. So if you tell yourself, so let's see, it happens here the first time, and then it happens here. If you just tell yourself that that is an octave, your hand can kind of think about that reach. So just think about reaching for that octave. You can kind of let your thumb hang out here where it was, right? That will make that jump a little bit easier if you think of just stretching for an octave. And that's it. That's all your left hand does. So maybe just some drilling of these little chords in this middle section, and that will be a good way to start. And then your left hand will be good and you'll be ready for the right hand. So for the right hand, again, just follow the fingering here. We've got G and B flat. Make sure we reach for that E flat here. Okay, so we've got 2 flats, B and E. Okay, and then we've got 4 and 2 for the next chord. Okay, so here we're kind of stretched out. We're kind of in this place, and then we have to jump up to hit that chord, okay? So when you're here, think about jumping up to hit that chord. And then you kind of come back down. Let's see. Yeah, so these 2 measures will need a little bit of love. Just go slow, follow the fingering. C sharp, all white notes. Black, black, white. Okay, and then here at the repeat, we've got this. So you kind of jump up a little bit to hit this chord and then that chord. And it's like the beginning. Okay, so this part's different. So watch the notes here. We've got A, D, F sharp, and then a C minor chord, and then a D major chord. Bum, 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 bum. So here you're jumping from that note, that chord to that chord, but they're both white, black, white, white, black, white. And then just back and forth, bum, 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 on these 2 measures. So here, watch carefully because you have to hold your 4th finger down while these other fingers move, and then you play that note and add those chords. So it looks like this. Okay, so these couple measures might need a little love, and then finish the song. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then you repeat, and then take the second ending, okay? So I will attempt to play the whole song in another video. Just a sec here.